Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to forward your Yahoo emails over to Gmail. So first of all, to forward your Yahoo Mail to Gmail, you need to have access to both email. First, we're going to log into Yahoo because that's the mail that we want to forward to Gmail. So I'm going to go ahead and open my browser and log into your Yahoo Mail account. After you are logged into your Yahoo Mail account, open a new tab and log into your Gmail account. Log into your Gmail account that you want your Yahoo Mail to be forwarded to. And after you log into your Gmail, the page looks similar like this. So you have to go to settings on this page, which is on the top right side of the screen. You have to click on settings and a small pop-up screen will appear, and in this screen you have to go to settings. Click on that. Under the settings option, you have to go to accounts and import, which is the fourth option. Click on that and you'll see a page similar to this. And in this page you have to look for import mail and contacts and click on import mail and contacts on this option. A new window will appear, and in this window you have to enter your Yahoo Mail account and click on continue. Now in this page you can read all the information about migrating email and click on continue. After that, a new window will appear, and this page you'll be shown what will be migrated to your Gmail account from your Yahoo Mail account. So if you agree with this, click on agree. Now it's done. You can close all these windows. Now you'll see your Yahoo Mail ID under import mail and contacts. The import has not yet started. There is one more step on this. So you have to click on provide info. And you are given options to choose what you want to import from your Yahoo Mail account. Choose what you want and click on start import. So this process may take up to 2 days to import your email. So you have to be a little patient for this. In this page, you have to click on OK and the page will close. Now you can see there is another message under import mail and contacts. It may take several hours, sometimes up to days, before you start to see imported messages. You can leave this page and the import will continue. Now it's importing your Yahoo Mail to your Gmail account. If this video was helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for other helpful guide videos.